The surge in single-use disposable trash is overwhelming our ocean and our landfills.
We take from Mother Earth, right? We make the product and then we dispose of it.
Each year, California throws away 42 million tons of waste. That's equal to shipping containers stacked more than 32 bins high, running the entire length of Interstate 5. It's an alarming reality for Frank Farrell with the Stockton Chamber of Commerce.
The linear way of doing things, we have to throw out the window because we're just throwing way too much material away.
Rather than dump our discards overseas, where recyclable materials often end up landfilled or in the ocean, California is working to make sure items are recycled by building remanufacturing right here in our state.
It has to be done because we're just throwing way too much stuff, in the hole.
California businesses are leading the way, remaking our economy to reuse materials.
We do not throw anything away.
Waste is not part of the business model for Epic Plastics.
Every bottle counts. And every bottle that we put back into products, that basically gets a second chance in life.
Since 1998, the Northern California company has kept over 200 million pounds of old milk jugs and other plastic from becoming trash pollution, creating jobs by remanufacturing single-use disposable packaging into something new.
This is our finished product of the bending board. It's designed to go underground, basically concealed for your landscape edging.
And when the recycled edging lives out its useful life, it's recycled again.
It's going to get a second chance in life, and it's going to become products that people can use.
A circular economy model that reduces waste and pollution by growing green businesses that safeguard the health and well-being of their communities.
We have all kinds of safety procedures and process.
Under California's strict environmental standards, recycling businesses use technology and best practices to keep neighborhoods clean and keep traffic, odor, and noise pollution in check. Like this Recology compost facility in the Central Valley that has kept 2 million tons of waste out of landfills.
It's going to help reduce methane generation to help our climate problem. Also, it controls odors better because now they have biofiltration.
Improving communities by transforming local economies with green jobs.
We're hiring like crazy.
Central Valley-based Ecologic needs more workers to keep up with rising demand for their recycled paper bottles.
A lot of the big packaging companies kind of, didn't really think my idea was legitimate because in 2008 to I'd say 2012 or 13, a lot of people really thought that sustainability was just a trend.
In January, one of the world's largest contract manufacturers acquired the company and has plans to take this California innovation global.
So they're going to be making Ecologic bottles in Europe, by the end of 2022.
California wants to help more businesses realize the benefits of a renewable system.
I think the circular economy, is going to stimulate innovation. Look at the design of your product on the front end. What can you do to redesign it so it can be repurposed or recycled to put back into another product or continue the lifespan of your existing product?
He sees the state's latest $270 million in new circular economy investments as a potential boon for local growth.
So what I think we've done and what the governor has done through the signing of a slew of legislation, that support the circular economy has enabled the business community and all chambers to really work with this, changing the paradigm a little bit and looking at it differently.
Providing local communities with a roadmap to a zero-waste future.
Literally, if you look behind me, there's about 1.3, 1.4 million pounds of trash in this yard that would have ended up in our landfill.
With millions in new state funds available and 7 new laws moving recycling forward,
I believe other companies can do this.
California is investing in businesses that have the vision to jump to the next level of economic growth that will keep thriving into the future.